Hi everybody. So at Dogs Trust today, maybe getting a new dog. Anyone who knows me knows Ted died in January, so thought I'd show you some of the dogs. Hello, hello. This is Cleo. Hello. And yeah, I am going to be using my dog voice. Leave me alone. This is Angus. Not that you can see him. Try and zoom in on him. There he is. He's a bit tired. As is Orla. Orla's a whippy. Again, try and zoom in on Orla. There we go. Very tired. Look at this guy though. Hello. Who's this? This is Max. And he's just amazing. Look at him. Hello. You're slobbering a bit, aren't you?
Is that a yes on the Rottweiler for you, brother? It looks like the right dog for you.
I know. It's too big for everyone else. Yeah, he's gorgeous. Unbelievable. Just dropping things. So this is Jax. Hello, Jax. Can't even see him. There we go, there's Jax. Hello. Quite a lot of these type of dogs in here. Sunny, greyhound, seeing a lot of these. No one in there. And then we've got, who have we got here? Nelly. Hello, Nelly. Nelly seems very interested in me. And then Floki. Floki is an 8-month-old crossbreed. Hello. What? Don't think he likes the camera. He's camera shy. Rip. Seems like an appropriate name. You're lovely, aren't you? Bye, Rip.
Oh, mate. Stay there, you very old. Oh,
So there should be two in here. Oh yeah, there's the other one.
how small is the house? Oh, no.
So, hello. I don't know if you're Hank or Hen, but hello.
Oh, my
And then,
God.
probably can't see. There's another one. Through there, you might be able to just about see. The other one's asleep. This is Bonnie.
Oh, she's lovely, isn't she? I like her as well.
Oh,
She's
yeah.
a bit big though. Do you think she's a bit big? Yeah. Oh, hello. She's nice. They're all gorgeous though, aren't they?
Yeah.
Oh, Belle. Oh, she's a bit old now. She's 8. Oh, she's lovely. Bombshell Belle. Oh, she's lovely.
Belle with one of the trainers.